Explosion-proof. What does it mean and why is it so crucial? Explosion-proof products are like an armor for industrial workers to stay safe from potential explosive disasters. And just like a shield protects a person from incoming attacks, explosion-proof equipment acts as a shield to protect against a deadly blow. Explosion-proof equipment is designed to prevent sparks and ignition sources from coming into contact with hazardous materials. But what do the words explosion-proof mean? Like a shield, explosion-proof equipment provides a protective barrier to contain an explosion and prevents it from spreading. Without this protective shield, in an industrial setting, the place would be more vulnerable to an explosive disaster. Just like a person without a shield, they would be more vulnerable to a deadly blow. Therefore, having explosion-proof equipment in an industrial area is essential to protect the workers and the surrounding area. Some devices provide explosion-proof and intrinsically safe features to provide a greater safety. When working with hazardous materials, it's important to use the right equipment to minimize risk. Explosion-proof equipment is an essential part of any safety program, providing powerful protection for workers and preventing a catastrophic event. Having learned what explosion-proof is and the importance, does this concept apply to LED lighting fixtures? This next video further reveals how flexible explosion-proof lights are designed and how they can be used in the oil and gas industries. Till next time, bye!